change the game. Welcome back to my channel. I go by Sabrina E, and I am so glad to make this video because you guys have asked me multiple times on my shorts, what products do you use? So I thought, what better time than today to go ahead and film what I used on my hair to make my hair grow, to strengthen my hair, all those good things. So let's get into it. All of the items that I'm going to show you guys in this video are going to be linked in my bio. It's going to be linked below in the description box. It's going to have my link to my Amazon storefront, so you can go ahead and purchase all of these things that I use in my storefront. So let's get into it. First thing that I changed up was I stopped buying cheap products. And when I say cheap products, I think the only thing that I buy that's pretty cheap is going to be the conditioner that I detangle with, but we'll get there. So first, the shampoo. Now these are only the products that I use when I am just either gonna blow my hair out, not silk press. I have totally different items when I silk press. This is only like when I'm wearing it in my natural state. That means if I'm doing a flexi rise set, if I'm doing a ponytail, stuff like that. So this is gonna be the shampoo that I use. It's the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleanse Rinse. This is what I use right here. This stuff does the job. It suds up. It's not gonna sud up like a cleanser when you're doing a silk press, one of those kind of shampoo, but it definitely suds up to do what it needs to do, to get the hair clean. But yeah, this is it right here. I love this shampoo. Swear by this. This is what I use most of the time if I'm not doing a silk press. This is it. Now, when I detangle my hair, I use the cheap stuff because I need a lot. I use the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal. I use this to only detangle when I'm in the shower. Only detangle. I'm washing it straight out. I just needed because I use a lot when I detangle. Because I know it's controversy out there when it comes to using Pantene and the parabens and all that different things in it, but this is what I use only to detangle. This is some good stuff right here. Once I detangle and I wash that out, I do go back in with a better conditioner, which, you know, this one is gonna have more of the natural ingredients. It is also from Camille Rose, the Moroccan, got tongue tied, Moroccan pear conditioner custard. Now this is like, I think, $13, I believe. Like I said, it'll be in my storefront, but I'm telling you, this stuff has my hair super soft. Get this. Now, deep conditioner. Now, I was trying out different deep conditioners because I did want to see what would work best. But for me, I did break the bank on my conditioner. This is the Briogeo Deep Conditioner Repair. This stuff changed the game when it came to my hair. You hear me? Change the game. If you don't got it, go get this. This changed the game. You hear me? Change the game. Now, I do use this when I'm doing my silk press, and I use this when I am doing my natural hairdos. I don't know. It's just something about this stuff. Now, this is expensive. I think it's like $38, $39. This stuff right here changed the game. I felt my hair being soft. My curls were popping. And I don't even wear my curls like that, but this stuff, get you some of this. See how you feel once you use this. But I love this stuff right here. I'm going to buy this all the time because I was buying like Mael and all those other ones, which they are good too. I'm not going to say they're not good, but this one, I don't know. I just felt like my hair was doing something when I put this in. So yeah, this is my baby right here. I'm going to buy this no matter what. And they also have a smaller version. I think it's like $15. I get it at Sephora. Yeah, this is it. Next, once I wash that out, I'm going to do my leave-in. I was using Kinky Curly leave-in, but I couldn't find it. Sometimes it's not there. So it's a 10. Now this is expensive too. Like this bottle right here was $18. But this stuff, a little goes a long way. I'm telling you, I use this with my silk presses too. But this right here, a little goes a long way. Like, I'm not even gonna stunt. Like, I know I love my black women hair products, but man, this stuff right here, this is it. I love this. I do sometimes use this right here. It's another leave-in treatment. And it's only if my hair is super dry. It's from Briogeo also. It's the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Moisturizer Damage Defense Leave-In Treatment. If my hair feels super duper dry after washing my hair, and I do still put it by, it's a 10, but I will go in, especially on my edges with this, because I'll show you guys with a clip. I'll post it right here. If you notice, I had a bald spot, and I just kind of felt like that was like a dry area that I had. It was always super dry. So I saw a girl on social media use this, and so I purchased it, and just it squirts out a little bit. Oops. But it's like this. It doesn't squirt out a lot, but yeah, this stuff is the bomb. Like, get you some of this too. But like I said, I don't use this as often. Like this bottle, I think I've had this bottle for like 8 months maybe, because I don't use a lot of that. It's only if I just feel like my hair is super dry. Next, styling products. Styling products. When I style my hair, I was originally using the Mielle Organics mousse, but since it was all that controversy about her, I'm not shading her because I don't really know the truth of what's going on, so I can't talk about Mielle, so this is not what this video is about. So, but I did kind of change out using her foam mousse, only because everything that's been going on with her. And I ended up switching her out for the mousse, the Dew. So I started using this one, and I just picked up a pattern. So I went live with that just a while ago just to use that. So I went live using a pattern. It's okay. I put some on for this video, but it's not giving that same hold that Mielle gave me, because when I used to use Mielle, like if I put that mousse on there, my hair was molded. You hear me? It was molded. So this one does okay too, but I just kind of want to use the pattern to see. So I may use the pattern only just for flexi rod sets, but throughout the time I was transitioning out with the Mielle and this stuff, and it works pretty good. And that's all I was using when I was doing like my rod sets and things like that. And tried to keep it real simple, one ingredient. It was gonna be this or the Mielle mousse, but this is one of my styling products. And then y'all, I only use one more, which is gonna be the Camille Rose Curl Aid. Y'all, this stuff is like butter. I don't even have to use a lot of this. I've been having this for a while. I just use a little bit. This is what it looks like. You get a lot. It was like $23 also, but this stuff is like butter. So if you want your hair soft, super soft, butter, get you this. It's like butter. Like, and then again, these ingredients on the back are super natural also. And like I said before, me personally, I tried to get the more cleaner products, because before I was kind of using, you know, grease in my hair. I was using, and those shades of people that still using grease, it just doesn't work for me. But I was using grease. I was using, what is that other one called? Dew Grow, I think it was. Wild Grow, all those different things with all those ingredients in there like that. I was using all that stuff, but then I was like, for my hair to grow, I need to keep it simple. I gotta keep it simple. And when I say keep it simple, that's why I got the products I got. I keep it super simple. I don't go outside of this. Now I have, since I've been becoming a content creator, I've been trying out different things like Amika products and things like that. You'll see me kind of add something in and try it, and if I don't like it, I won't use it again. But what I've shown you guys in the video, that is it. I keep it simple. That's what I've been using from the beginning till now. If you go check out my old videos, some of the things I have transitioned out, like I said, with Mielle having those allegations and things like that, I just kind of severed ties with them at the moment, you know, at the moment, giving everybody grace. But yeah, these are the things that I transitioned out, and they have really improved my hair, my overall health of my hair. So these are the things. Oh, and let me not forget my oil. Now, people ask me in my video, what oil is this? Now, this was the oil that I created during COVID. I was selling it for a while, but I got overwhelmed with the orders. Like, I was up all night, always packing orders, and I did get super overwhelmed. So I did put it on postpone right now. So I'm not really selling my oil. So I do have a few left that I just put aside for myself. But this is my oil. It's Yvonne oil, and it's really natural oils all put together, and then I let it sit for a while. But this is kind of what it looks like on the backside. But yeah, this oil, I just make sure I use this every day, baby. It's light. It's everything. I just hate that I can't continue to share it with the world right now. But this oil right here, I love this oil. It's lightweight. It's really, to me, it's been penetrating my scalp. It's penetrating my hair. My hair loves it. And other people that were using it said they loved it also. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. Or I'm sorry, not what I do, but that's the products that I use when it comes to my hair. I don't do anything additional. That's just really it. And I just keep my hair stretched out all the time. I don't really do wash and goes and things like that, but these are the products that I use. I keep it simple. And I don't choose anything else. And the only reason why I say that is because sometimes we can transition products in and out, and then now we don't really know what's working for us because we just keep trying different things. And that's what I was doing when I first started out on my hair journey. I was using so many products because I started in 2011 and my hair would never grow from my shoulders. And I was trying to do wash and goes. I was trying to do everything that I saw other girls was doing in videos. And then I realized, why is my hair not growing any longer? Or if it did grow, it'll grow like the front will grow and then the back would still break off in the middle. And so I had to change out what I did, and I had to make it super simple. And that's what I did, and that's what's been working for me. And so I hope this video helped you guys. I'll be back with the silk press products in another video. But yeah, that's all that I use. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. We would love to have you here. I would love to have you here on my channel to learn about hair, to learn about my lifestyle. I'm going for the natural. I know we get on social media and we see so many girls, and no shade to them, that's living this luxury, unrealistic lifestyle. But ladies, we can still be cute. We can grow our hair. We don't have to always wear wigs, weaves. It is possible. Your hair may not grow as long as mine's quickly, but trust me, your hair can grow. But go ahead and keep following me. And if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. And I try my best to answer everyone. It may not be quick, but I definitely try my best to answer everyone. And if you haven't already subscribed to my Instagram, also, if you guys could do that, I am _Sabrina_W. And if you want me to follow you back, trust me, I will. Go ahead. And I love you guys and thank y'all so much. And see you next time.